Ever wondered how you can get a clearer picture of your students' performance in EdiosonOS? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the Reports section, showing you how to filter through the data and uncover the detailed insights that matter most. Let's start by navigating to the Reports section. Here, you'll find several categories, including People, Classroom, Live Class, and Assessment. For this video, we'll focus on the Assessment section. First, you can apply detailed filters to narrow down the data. This lets you focus on specific assessments, time periods, or even certain student groups. These give you a broad view of your activity. Next, we move on to monthly assessment attempts, where you can compare the current month with the previous month. This helps track progress over time and see if there's improvement in student engagement or performance. In the completed assessment attempts section, you can quickly see the score percentage, scaled scores, and total questions answered. It also breaks down how many were correct, incorrect, or skipped, along with the total time spent on the test, giving you a clear view of each student's performance. Under In-Progress Attempts, you can track who is currently taking an assessment and identify any students who haven't yet submitted their tests. One of the most powerful features is the SAT Scaled Score Comparison. This lets you view each student's first and last scaled scores, giving you insight into their growth and areas where they might still need improvement. The Performance by Skill report displays a bar chart showing the total number of questions for each skill, along with how many were answered correctly, incorrectly, or skipped. This lets you quickly identify where students are excelling and where they need more practice. The Performance by Difficulty report shows the total number of questions at each difficulty level, along with how many were answered correctly, incorrectly, or skipped. This helps you see if students are struggling with harder questions or if they're breezing through the easier ones. In the Most Used Assessments section, you can see which assessments have the highest number of attempts, giving you a sense of what your students are engaging with most. Next, there's the Top 10 Hardest Assessments, based on incorrect answers. This highlights the assessments that are causing the most difficulty for students, so you can adjust future tests or provide targeted review. The Top 50 Most Incorrect Questions report shows which specific questions students are getting wrong most often. This can help identify patterns or concepts that need further review. And the best part? You can download this data in CSV, XLSX, or JSON format for creating targeted practice tests. The Assessment Performance Analysis provides a detailed breakdown of total and average metrics for questions attempted, correct answers, incorrect answers, skipped questions, and time spent on assessments. Finally, the section Performance Analysis gives a detailed analysis of performance for each test section, including metrics for questions attempted, correct answers, incorrect answers, skipped questions, and time spent. As you can see, the Reports section in EdiosonOS gives you a complete picture of your students' performance, making it easier to make smart, data-driven decisions to boost learning outcomes. From tracking specific skills to understanding overall assessment trends, these reports are your go-to tool for supporting your students every step of the way. Want to dig even deeper? Head to our Help Center or contact us for more resources. Thanks for watching and happy teaching with EdiosonOS. We're here to help you help your students